Hello everyone and Happy New Year to you all. The end of another year means it's time to kind of reflect on the match betting environment and see how much it's changed over the past year. Well, in fact, I don't actually think it has changed a lot. There is still, it's still a lot harder than it used to be, but there's still good profits that are able to be made. So for example, the big offers such as extra places and early payouts, they're still alive and kicking. And this is where some big profits can be made. I'll put a link at the end of this video to an extra place tutorial that I made, so do take the time after watching this video to go and check that out to see how you can make these big profits using extra places. Alongside this, you've also got the casino offers. Now this has had a little bit of change this year. They're still very profitable, however the Gambling Commission have actually taken away auto spin and quick spin, meaning that these offers do take a little bit longer to complete, but to be honest that's not really the end of the world. Although the value of these offers have kind of decreased a little bit this year, as I say, they are still a good source of income, and actually most of my profits now come from casino offers due to me not having that many accounts left. The best way to find all of these offers is to use Profit Accumulator. They have a large catalogue of offers which they search for daily and also provide written instructions for. You could go out and find these yourself, but to be honest that's going to take you a lot of time, and you're also going to have to sit there and work out, one, are they profitable, and two, how do you actually do them? Using Profit Accumulator in this respect saves you a lot of time, hassle and effort. And they also have all of the tools and calculators that are required for you to actually match bet effectively, therefore it is very helpful in that respect too. If you want to get a trial to Profit Accumulator, you can check out the link in the description which will take you there directly. All in all, with a good set of accounts and a decent sized bankroll, £500 to £1,000 profit a month is still more than achievable. I don't feel like much is going to change over the next year, to be honest. I feel like the change has kind of plateaued over time. Although the biggest risk that I see to the match betting industry is more restrictions and regulations from the gambling commissions. As I've already said, they have imposed restrictions such as removing auto spin and quick spin from casinos. The main reason they've done this over the past year is to protect gamblers during the pandemic, where they're kind of facing more time sitting at home and due to boredom seem to kind of hit the casinos a bit more. So this has been aimed at protecting them. However, I can't go and predict what they're going to restrict in the future, but I can't deny that these future restrictions may impede our profits slightly. So that is one thing to keep an eye on throughout the next year. Match betting is still definitely worth it. Them big offers are still there to make them big juicy profits. And it still remains one of the best ways to make money online and top up your income every month. Don't forget to check out the trial to Profit Accumulator using the link in the description below, and do take them up on this. It's amazing value, and the earnings that you will make from this trial will go towards and actually pay in full your first month subscription, so definitely give that a go. Thank you for watching everyone. If you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my channel. Turn on notifications to see all of my future content. Thank you very much and enjoy the new year.